and you will pay zero taxes. You as a physical person, you as a shareholder, as owner of the shares. Welcome everyone, I'm Fausto Carnevale, international tax consultant, and in this video I will tell you how to pay zero taxes in Belgium when you are selling your company. This is a video that I'm doing specifically for Belgium and specifically for people who want to open a limited responsibility company. A company where, as you may know, you won't have the responsibility because it is a company, so a limited responsibility, as the name says. And in this video, I would like to talk in detail ahead, already when you are thinking to sell your company. This video may apply to you also if you are a business owner in Belgium and you are thinking to sell the company. I have to do a disclaimer. Please, these rules that I'm telling today are valid, are applicable now that I'm recording this video in August 2023. We will do another video, but we will try to do another video as soon as the law changes. But before doing anything, please book a consultation with an accountant. You can book it with us in the description link, just to be sure that this law is still applicable for you. So as you may know, in Belgium, you don't have the impatriate regime. I'm trying to, with this video, also to do a quick introduction, quick profile of a client who may need this very good tax scheme. So in Belgium, as you know, you don't have the impatriate regime. So if you want to move to Belgium, you basically, if you get a VAT number, you don't have nothing. But what you have is you can open a limited responsibility company, and you will pay a small percentage on taxes. You don't have the double social contribution like in Italy. I also did a video about this. In Italy you pay the IMPS two times. IMPS is the social contribution in Italy. In Belgium, fortunately, it's easier to open a company, and you have a lot of benefit that, of course, I will mention maybe in another video. But you basically can do a lot of things to save taxes. Not to mention that you can also withdraw the dividends 15% after 3 years. Of course, this is a law that now is valid in Belgium. We don't know how it will evolve, so I always invite you to double check especially if you're watching this video in 2025, 2026 and beyond. Now let's talk about the topic of today, how to pay zero taxes. So in Belgium there is one rule. When you sell your shares, so imagine that you have your accounting office, you are an accountant. Imagine that you have your lawyer firm, you are a lawyer, or you have a bar, you have a restaurant. How you can sell it without paying taxes? You don't sell, in Italy as we say, the azienda, so you don't say the goods, you don't say the furniture, you don't say the credits. No, you sell the shares of the company. That is why being a company, for instance, a real estate company, it is also a good strategy when you want to give the assets to your children. But in Belgium, let's suppose that you open a bar. To make it easier, you are a doctor, you open your firm in Belgium, and you have, 10 shares, you and your wife. Let's say you are the owner, 6 shares you and 4 your wife. Let's say that you as a couple, you as a family, decided to sell the shares. Of course, you don't pay taxes, as I said. But let's consider this. The value of the company, here we should talk about how to evaluate a company. This is almost the same everywhere in the world. So normally we have 2-3 different ways to evaluate a company. We can consider the revenues, we can consider the asset, we can consider revenue and asset, or we can consider cash flow. So this is an evaluation that you need to do with an accountant. But then afterwards, how you can sell it? How you can not pay taxes? You sell the shares to another person, and you will pay zero taxes. You as a physical person, you as a shareholder, as owner of the shares, you don't pay taxes. I give you a quick example of a thing that has been done in Belgium. For instance, an accounting office has been incorporated to another firm. Another firm incorporated this office and then bought its shares. This is a classical way. So the owner of the office received the money of the shares. This is the thing that you can do only if you have a company. Of course, let's suppose that you have a business online. It is crucial, would be nice, to have all the accountability well done. Bookkeeping, sorry, not accountability, bookkeeping. Because this impacts the valuation of the company. This everywhere, I mean, even if you have a bar, if you have a restaurant, but this is not the topic of the video. The topic of the video is that in Belgium you can do this. In Italy, no, you cannot do, as I said, you cannot do as what I described for Belgium. In fact, in Italy, you have to pay the 26% when you sell the shares of your company. That is why Belgium is quite interesting, and I see the way that they want to do this is to, they want to do this in order to push the people to invest in the country. That is why also if you are an employee, you are looking for a job opportunity. That is why in Belgium we have more work also, because company invests in Belgium. They put money on the table, they open a company, and they know that they don't pay as much taxes. Unfortunately, in Italy, you cannot do this. In Italy, you cannot open a company. You cannot, the SRL is the last way to do it. Unless you want to have a restaurant. This is another way, but I'm referring to a topic, I'm referring to actually the examples that we had, because our clients, they mostly work online. They are entrepreneurs, they work with a laptop, they do consultancy call, they don't have to be physical in the company. In Italy, so that's why they can use the impatriate regime, but if you know that if you have restaurants, if you have a more structured activity, this is different. So that's why the video today was to remind you, if you sell the shares in Belgium, you pay zero taxes. I hope that you liked this video. If you want to have further information, you can book a call in the description below. Also, if you are looking at our channel, if you're watching our videos, in order to get more information for the impatriate regime eligibility test in Italy, we realized a specific video course. In this video course, you can check the link in the description and buy it. Because this is very important also for you to compare how many taxes you will save in Italy versus how many taxes you will save moving to Belgium. Taxes equal money, so money saved is equal to money earned in my house. So I hope that you understood the logic of our videos, and I hope that this video might help. Also, moreover, please subscribe to the channel and invite your friends or your colleagues to watch our videos. And if they need further assistance, of course, the only way to contact us, I repeat it as I already said, is to book a consultancy call with us. Until next time, Fausto Carnevale, enjoy your staying in Belgium.